Right, for several years now, I've been trying to find a supplier for these ProbeMaster test leads for my multimeter. And the reason I've been looking is because all these guys I follow on YouTube, and I follow these guys regular and I trust a lot of them. They're very, very experienced and knowledgeable. And all of the reviews I've seen, if you just go into YouTube and search for ProbeMaster test leads, watch a few of the reviews, and yeah, you'll see what I mean. But finally, I managed to get hold of ProbeMaster in the America, and asked them where I can buy from in the UK. Now, there is no distribution or supplier in the UK as far as they're aware, but they pointed me in the direction of this company. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, Electron or Willectron or whatever it is. And yeah, I bought some, turned up about 3 weeks ago, been trying them out, and absolutely fantastic, amazing difference. So I'm going to show you the kind of examples that the other guys have demonstrated, and I'll just demonstrate you what kind of a difference it can make. So I bought this kit, and I actually bought the 90-centimeter version of it, and I regret that really. I think it's a little bit too short, so I wish I went for the 120 centimeter, and it's not a lot different. So you're looking at 74.90 euros versus 79.90 euros. Alternatively, you can just buy the leads themselves if you don't want to buy the kit. Let's get back. Let's just do a search on it again. So ProbeMaster. There we go. And there's just the test lead. So what's that? That is 26.90 for either the 90 centimeter or the 120 centimeter, right? Now let's just do a quick demo using my test meter, and you'll see what I mean. All right. So first of all, you might have noticed that this isn't the case that the leads came with. I've actually just bought this one because actually the very first time I used their case on site, which was last week, the little clip broke. So a bit of a letdown really. This is not very good quality in comparison to what you're expecting from these really good golden plated ProbeMaster leads. So anyway, not too bothered. That can go in the bin. And I bought this, which now allows me to store the multimeter as well. So what we'll do is we just set up my test meter, and we put it onto ohms or resistance, but I'll put it on continuity setting so we get a beep. And let's just try some various test leads that I've gathered over the years, and then we'll compare it with these ProbeMasters. So first of all, this is a really cheap set of leads. They came with a very low cost multimeter. It's a very handy multimeter actually. And actually I found it to be very accurate, but the leads are really poor quality. They are plasticky, solid, but we'll just try for a second. So live and the common, I'll put my there. You can see if I tap this quickly, every other one, well, more than every other one, does it. If I hold it sometime, registers. In fact, I have to press it quite hard. If I touch gently, nothing. It's quite unreliable. Okay, try another set. Yeah, these are another cheap set actually. Let's try these. I don't know where these came from originally, and you'll probably find it's a similar result. Probably even worse. There you go. Very unreliable. If you do it quickly, like 1 in 10 or something. Does the continuity beep kick in? Okay, try another set. Now, these are actually very good quality. They are silicon. I'm not sure where I bought them from. I think I got them from RS years ago. And you have adaptable connectors, all kinds of connectors. So these are just standard probes. But let's just try those ones. And again, you can see unreliable. You have to hold it quite a bit of pressure, yeah, and it takes a reasonable amount of time for it to register. Okay. Now, something a bit better, I've got a set of fluke probes here. You would think that these would be probably the top of the range, but let's have a look. Quite loose connector on the banana plugs there. Similar thing. Hold it and give it some pressure. If I do it gently, it's unreliable. Okay, now let's try the ProbeMasters. So just to make this simpler, I'll just remove this sort of added protection that it comes with. Straight away you can see these are gold, and that's what makes the major difference to the other. I don't know what they are, some kind of nickel or something like that, I don't know. But you'll see every single time, no matter how quickly I do it, how gently, if I just touch the tip, anywhere, it registers the contact. Okay, so I'm very impressed, and I'm glad that I listened to all those guys and got myself a set. And if you're interested, you've got the website on the screen from earlier. It is welectron.com, so welectron.com. I'll put it in the link below. Okay, thanks a lot. Catch you later.